Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwena Holding. They talk to the people where they give and see of full work where they do. He say make they trust them with the business. They use this see of full work where they do so for people till they play at all. As soon as you give them money, now so they do the work. Make I leave you with Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwena Holding. Enjoy the video.
I'm alive. Am I man of this chance again? But we bless God. Yes, a great good morning to ever conscious Edo people worldwide. I remember humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Osakwena Holding. For now, I want to quickly make some corrections. I need that plate, this thing. Let me arrange them there. I want to bring this one, drop this one down. I want to quickly make some corrections this morning. It is expedient, and sorry, we are trying to, okay. I want to make some correction this morning in respect to our activities. By the power of our ubiquitous God, we say a very big thank you for your patronage so far. Someone just asked me if there is no church. Yes, you are already praying for me. We ought to have been in church today, but due to some unforeseen occurrence that is above our control, we cannot be in church for today. This is not to say that we don't normally attend churches. But please, for those of you who are in church, kindly pray for us. Yes, as at this morning, at a time, we don't always have the time. So from Monday to Friday, Saturday, we're always on the feed, doing the job you commissioned us to carry out. And now today, which happened to be Sunday, as at yesterday, Saturday to today, myself and my secretary, we decided to leave to relax in an hotel so that we can compile every document that we are having in our disposal, and we ensure that we submit all applications. In fact, this week applications, so many that we have to really take this time. So we don't want to give any excuse by saying that we are going to submit them next week. No. So this week that we are into on Monday, majority of the C of O's are going. Now let me give you a classical example. Somebody's calling me, receive the call. These are some of them. You see, these are the documents. You see, these are the documents. You see, we are going to ensure more than that. Hello, come on, give me this. These are the documents for C of O application. That set. You can imagine. We still have some there. So we cannot be stockpiling without ensuring that the one, if you can notice that naturally we are the kind of persons that always shave 24 hours, but the question is which time. For those in the diaspora who are commissioning us in Edo State today or in Nigeria today, majority of persons have lost their credibility. So because of that, if we are being given money to work, we will not want to wait. Let's take an example. You give me money and you say, comrade, go and do a survey so and so land, and you paid me a day to that day. I will not want to give you an excuse to say, oh, we are going there next tomorrow. No. Since you pay, we are going to deliver it immediately, because of the fact that majority of persons have already created an impression to those in diaspora, because virtually 80% or even 90% of those who are patronizing us are those in the diaspora, and it is not difficult for them to have belief on any human. It is not difficult for them to have belief on anybody in the state. Say, are you sure these people are genuine? So because of that, I will not want to create any lacuna. So I try to walk beyond time. I'll try to fast a race against time so as to meet up. Because if somebody gives you money today to say, comrade, I've paid into your account, go and carry out this survey, and we'll say we'll be there tomorrow. Fortunately and unfortunately, one or two things happens, you say, okay, instead of you to go to tell the person I'm going next tomorrow, the person will say, hey, are you sure this one? So I will not want to give room for that. If we are going tomorrow, we collected money and we tell you that we are going tomorrow, we must be there tomorrow. Because of that, it gives room for so many backlogs of CFO application that ought to be submitted. So Saturday night, as we speak right now, I have not slept. You see my secretary here still doing some compilation. From Saturday night till today Sunday, until this evening of Sunday, we will not rest until we compile all the documents. You know, there are some of these documents they send it to us through online, through WhatsApp, through email. So we'll go there to compile this document. We have to print out, we have to do it. Thank God today we already have a printer somewhere. It's just for us to forward. They print it and keep it for us. When we are coming in the evening, we'll pick them and begin to compile everything. So because of this, it is always excruciating and difficult for us to ensure total compilation. And now we always try to earmark Saturday evening and Sundays to ensure that on Monday every CFO application leaves our hands to the appropriate quota. Now again, there are some challenges. I received a call this morning from one of my reliable boss. I have not met him on ground, but on social media, and in fact, he's not the type that comments, but he just like my kind of person. It's not as if I'm saying I'm perfect. I'm not perfect. In fact, I have a very big mistake as a human being, and moreover, there are some of my characters that may be appalling to you as an individual. But what I'm begging for is, do not judge me based on my character, because at the time, as a human, I must fail. I must fail. So this man called me. He said he recommended so many persons to me, over 4 to 5 persons. They have been calling, and it was difficult for me. I didn't pick the call, and some of them will say my phone switched off. I want to state this clear, sir. With all due respect to those persons, I beg you, call me again. Now from Monday to Friday, we are always in the bush, and majority of these communities where we are carrying out these exercises, these communities, some of them does not have networks, and there are times your power bank will still fail. Let me not say network. At the time, the phone will always switch off at a time. But this is not to say that we will switch our phone off deliberately. I have not come out here to tell anyone that I'm tired of customer. In fact, I need you all to do it through Osakwena Holding. I am not tired of customer. I am not tired of my job. In fact, I am not here to complain to say I am no longer sleeping. No, I owe you most explanation. Fine. So I should not be coming here to tell you that he give here as if I'm not the one benefiting it. So you don't need to pity for me. I have decided to accept this job as my job. I should be able to accept any tedious and laborious activities that is associated with this job. So I'm not complaining. I am not complaining. I am benefiting it. In fact, you are helping me. You are helping me. You are helping me. So I have no excuse whatsoever to say I only came out here to give an explanation. I'm not saying that the work. No, I never tire for my work, my dear brother. Don't even care if I don't sleep. Don't even care if I don't eat. That is not your business. Don't care. Continue to give me this job. I only came to explain. I'm not complaining. I am explaining to those who may have called. I'm only showing the only encumbrances that we're having. At times, network will serve as an impediment. Network may serve as an impediment. But this is not to say that we deliberately switch off our phone. Yes, sir. Now again, Mr. Sly Amani Smith said they are very right. Your phone doesn't work sometimes. You refuse to pick calls. This is why I want to come out today to say this. Now there are times we'll be on site. Believe me, you know, in a growing consortium such as mine, nobody knows those working with me. Everybody knows Osakwena Holding. If there are failure in the activities, I am the one to take responsibility. So I cannot be. I try as much as possible to be in every site. Nobody assists me to do my job. I can only commission persons to be doing this while I keep monitoring, so that they will not digress from the basic expediency that is expected of me. So that they will not digress. So I try to monitor activity. Let's take an example. I do your survey. I'm applying for your CFO. Then at the end of the day, in the CFO office, they now said, hello, the survey has a problem. You have to go and conduct the survey, owing to the fact that the survey was not lodged, or the survey is not a government, so as the case may be, go and redo it. Can I come out here to complain to the person who commissioned me to say, go and do my survey and do CFO, to say the survey is not okay? Which matter I want to talk on? Where be saying I meet one. So I must be there. I must be there to ensure that the right thing is done at the right time. That is the point. So because of that is why I always try to work with timetable. I will tell you, yours is so and so time. So for some person, in fact, we have so many jobs on ground as well to carry out. I want to say a very big, expanded thank you to Edo people worldwide, because it's not easy. It is not easy. I'm not the only one doing this job, but the patronage, in fact, is overwhelming. I love it, and I say a very big thank you for your patronage. I know they tell you that. In fact, despite the fact saying a job will not give me now help, I consider this one to be. It is help. It is help because we have so many persons who does this job. Apart from the survey work, which is purely professionalism, apart from the professional part of it, the CFO part, some people can say, oh, I want to be doing CFO, it's just a matter of time. But we know there are some technicalities associated to CFO, which if you are not aware of it, you are not aware. If you are not trained, you are not trained. Let's take an example. In the CFO process. The both of us can submit an application in the CFO office. Fine. Now we have what we call assessment. In the CFO process is of different process. One, submitting. After you must have conducted your survey and the rest, all survey documents, supporting document A to Z is called one. The second process is to submit. The third process is site inspection. Now, in the site inspection, you are not forced to pay any money. But one would have expected that when somebody follows you to your site, let's say the government officials who are in charge of the CFO application process gets to your site for investigation, it's not mandatory that you should give them money. But in a normal situation, you say, oh, but brother, for the way you take. We don't normally call people to bring any charges in respect to that. But if peradventure you notice that the government is already on the site inspection, I want to give them an honorarium, it is your right. Please lock that door. I don't need any disturbance. It is your right. You can do that within your discretion. Beyond that, give me that barrel now. Beyond that, after the site inspection, we have what we call offer letter. Offer letter will give you your assessment. An assessment is based on the use to which land is being put. Now, when you have 100 by 100 land, you pay your CFO application fee 50,000. You pay your tax clearance 100,000. Now, you have what we call assessment. Assessment is based on the use to which land is being put. Now, if you have 500 plots of land for agriculture, it is not the same assessment with 500 plots of land for commercial activities or for an hotel, which falls within commercial activities. Now, in agriculture, 500 plots of land, the highest money you pay in assessment may be 30,000. But in commercial activity, you may pay up to about 3 million for assessment, because that is a commercial land. I use this as an example. I said 500 plot of land. But a man who is engaging in agriculture will not pay more than 30,000 naira assessment for agriculture, because the government is encouraging agriculture. So when you ask some of these persons, what is the cost of the assessment, they will say, don't worry, we work with the government. No. And secondly, when you say survey, when you say government survey, it is not a Edo State government survey. Edo State government have no right whatsoever to say, this is my survey. No. A government survey is a national survey recognized and lodged by the Nigerian Institute of Surveyors. By the Nigerian Institute of Surveyors. Then again, you go to the GIS office to pay another fee for lodgement. That one is accruing to Edo State government. So when somebody say we are working with the government, no. The government, you only pay some money for lodgement in the GIS office, but the chunk of payment and lodgement rights, I'm alive. I can't receive call now. The lodgement is under the Nigerian Institute of Surveyors, and when you do a survey today, the lodgement cannot come out today. The lodgement is being compiled. Sometimes it takes a period of 1 month, and you can go and verify. If you are not a surveyor, you are not a surveyor. If you are not in the built environmental profession, you are not in the built environmental profession. Sorry. So that is the point. So when you say, now we are still on the assessment. Now 100 by 100 residential use, because we have different use to which land is being put: recreation, commercial, industrial, as the case may be, agricultural. I've talked about residential. There are varieties of use to which land is being put. These various use to which land is being put have their assessment. Now residential 100 by 100. I have never seen where they assess above 33,000 naira for residential for 100 by 100. 1 by 2 45. I have never seen above 50,000 for 100 by 200 for assessment. Then your assessment, if you ask them, because your assessment, if I should call you to say today to say, hello my client, they have assessed your land, they say your assessment is 50,000, don't accept the assessment. I cannot call you. I must mail it to you. I must scan to you, carrying a State government details to say we have done your assessment through an offer letter. I will send it to you. Then you will see. You now have a choice to make. It's either you pay directly to the account of the government, or you send the money to me after you must have confirmed your assessment for me to pay on your behalf. So when you say CFO, it's not just what you jump into. We need to understand the historical antecedent of what CFO really means and where it came out from. It is purely professional ethic. But it's just that in Nigeria today, we no longer work with professionality. It's just, we say, okay, even an engineer works in the bank as a cashier, whereas an engineer is supposed to be in the bank working in the appliances and the other electrification, while a computer engineer does the computer. So if every professionals are working in their area of discipline, believe you me, the resultant will be efficacious. So if you don't know them, you don't know them. That 101. Then I've explained survey, but I will not go in details for that survey, so that if who wants to get that details, sorry, with all due respect, let me not go beyond my capacity. Might not go talk waiting to make some people vex. I am not here to create vexation in your heart. I'm only here to explain so that you understand what is going on. And so let me just leave that aside. Let me go directly to the focal point of our discussion. Now, at times there when you will call me, Bright Felix O Ekato, he said, why are you selecting those you work for? I will never make that mistake to select waiting. Select waiting. My dear brother, I need everybody to give me work. If you think I'm selecting, I know the select work, give me your job. Give me your job. And again, sir, as we speak, the reason why they quit me to submit my account, may you pay if I never get all your documents, is this. I get so many people, they send me different activities. It gets one now will send me message. I never go deliver that message. Already I do CFO for that person already. We don't submit this one. We even expect now any moment from now. They don't even call us for inspection. So we go do that. We go rectify that one so that we go for the inspection of that my particular client. Now, this my client get my account where they send money for CFO and the rest. They can't send me message as CFO. He can't go pay money for my account. Say I have paid for your fuel. Until now, I never get chance to go. Although I don't arrange everything, the person will say my account go there. Now they delay me now. But my conscience they judge me and say I never see go. I never see go. So before me collect money from you, I must not do that work first. Before I say bring money, not be say you don't give me money finish. I don't never do one. You can't be like say I eat your money. I don't eat your money. So this is the reason why I know the fit bring my account number. Before I give you my account number to pay in for your work, I must already organize all your supporting documents. As you they pay, I they carry and go submit. Another case day where happen. You know, say this is your phone money, they not they pay at once. Let me tell you the truth. You can't pay it once. Come and receive this call. Hello? Ever so? Quick. Make this call no go cut. This is one of the issue. And not say I didn't live video. This person now will call now, you don't call. This person will call now, feed on the vest now, say, Sakonoko, they don't want to pick. Whereas I did here, I cannot be everywhere. So somebody will pick that call now. So as I was saying, oh, Mark Barnabas, you are very right. You are very right, sir. But I want to state this clear. I know the select. Mark Barnabas, as at now, immediately as I finish this call, your mother will call you. Say, before now, sir, Mike will address this by Mark Barnabas issue. Before now, sir, people they bring their documents to me. It is hard for me to go where they go collect documents. Except say maybe I just did that area. I just say I'm here. Bring your documents because we not feed worker. But thank God today we don't get logistics department. If we do survey for you, you don't need to come up for your ass. Call collect the document. Now for you to just call, we'll bring your name come on. We'll carry our logistics department will go and deliver your survey to you. So I want to tell you this now. Our logistics department will go to meet and I'll call your that name. We'll go collect that document. Then I'll tell you, say forward money to us. By the power of God Almighty, you all cannot go on Monday because the way they go on Monday, we've already arranged them. It will be next week, Monday. I can't give you time and not meet up to expectation. Somebody said I should drink water. You are very right. Hello, Ebaso. Tell them to give me bottled water. Tell them to give me bottled water. Thank you very much. You really like me. You like me, sir. Thank you. So we'll do that. We'll do just that. We will send our logistics. And so you're going to do me a favor. You will still write me. Because people deal with the call many. So we feel your talk for now. You forget that one. Please, I want beg una. I beg. Una not your verse for me. If una your verse for me, now me will lose, not be una. Because you get more alternative. You get more alternative. So if you verse for me, you use the verse nation to act. You will not lose. I will be the one to lose. And I don't want to lose. So if you call me just believe this one. If you call me in the morning, in the afternoon, go reach that kind 3 or 4. So that when they reach 5. And that's when you know they call me all those time. At times they are the peak. If I did a network day. Once I don't arrange work for my staffs, not be God one. If not be the one until they patronize us. Which staffs? But thank God today, we don't still use this opportunity till they move people for street too, where they work with us. If not be una, we don't see create employment, not be me. Now I create this employment through my consortium. Because if the patronage not come, no level. Unstoppable Lady Stella, you say I don't vex for you and I will take my work to someone else. But please, Unstoppable Lady Stella, I beg you in the name of God. And again, let me give you an alternative. In case you call me and not pick, sister, you get my WhatsApp number. Send me a voice message or a message. Even if say I not pick that call, I must return that message. But if it be in the night, you go wake up to see him. Wala wo ne muna se put me into consideration. I beg. Now, let me know if I not say I don't tire for work, so I know if you use the word, let me know if let's leave that side. I'm not saying sorry for me, but I beg you, send me message. I will respond, even if not instantly. But certainly, what's that now? But certainly, I call am na no mama I beg, see me for the down, I beg you in the name of God. In fact, the call won't happen now immediately. Ebasu, come. This Ebasu, why they call Ebasu? You senior me. Now work with it, now I call some. Not be my boy, not my partner. That Unstoppable Mama Stella, we Akoda be Lixman. Yes, call the Akoda immediately. Set time for her. We want to go do that job immediately.
Today or tomorrow.
Not set time for her. Put that time. We get work on Monday. We get work on Tuesday. Put that time for Wednesday. Okay. And the first job. Mama beg. I beg. No, the name of the color not be a name. That name, I'm responding to Hillary Spank. He said, call him my bro. No, now work with it. Not be now. A senior me with the age group. But a senior me, when we say age group, you know what that means. So we fit now our business. And for inside the business, now let's leave the area. I just want state the area clearly. Let's just forget about that. So, Mama. Wo. I know you're still watching me. Please. In fact, share this video. My action may have offended so many persons. If not be you will contact your own comment now. If not be you, will talk your own comment now. Will talk your own comment now. The rest with the verse for men, but they not go understand. Mama Lawu, then the person will say in don't tire to also. Not be lazy person. They also continue to help you, they help me. Not be because people the yakba. Mr. Joshua, send me a WhatsApp message immediately now, sir. Please, you have my WhatsApp number. Let me call the WhatsApp number again. Mama, no you worry. That one I confirm. Now confirm. I am not ready to lose a single job. All I am pleading for is the time. Lawu. We are going on Wednesday. Put that person on high alert because they don't call them already now. Say make you get prepared on Wednesday. So Mr. Joshua Aya, send me a message immediately. Then I will book that time and we're going there to do it. Sorry, the truth is, it go very difficult for me to say people go this side, me will go this side. No, I want to be seeing everything so that what is on ground will reflect actually on paper and what is on paper reflects on ground. My phone number still remains 070-3610-9939. That is my WhatsApp number. You can still call it directly, but for WhatsApp, and some people they complain say they know they see that number quick for WhatsApp. So everybody complains that they squeeze that number. So what do you mean plan to do now? I want to bring in more numbers. By tomorrow, I'm going to bring in more numbers. The number is 070-3610-9939. 070-3610-9939. Okay. I get the number. Dion Osage send me that number. He send and give me. Nothing call on that day. So if I true now, remind me, I'll bring a comment for this. In fact, let me quickly use this opportunity as well to thank Ambassador Dion Osage. Yes. Politics aside, if not politics, Ambassador Dion Osage for not to recommend anybody come. It don't reach about 30 different persons. Where say I called Dion Osage gave me Dion Osage. If we say we use politics, Georgia, Dion Osage not supposed to bring anyone come. Forget say we'll be friends. Yes, thank you, Robert Muller. You've given me an idea. Say create a WhatsApp group. That's true. Very true. Listen to this. We will not create. See this the importance of brainstorming. Anybody when they ask question, not the fee. Now somebody say create all our clients. We have to now have them because they contact us through WhatsApp. We have to create a WhatsApp group where we can be discussing with them, giving them information. But again, there are secrets in this job in the sense that there are some persons where no one made them know say in the dorm. So I think that is if we might create a WhatsApp group where they not go fit comment on.
Yes.
Where they not fit comment on, but we go fit tell them say this we can disseminate information. Yes, thank you very much, sir. Thank you. It's a welcome idea. I'm very grateful for putting me through as well. The truth be say me myself were there, so we might do very good in our profession. It get many things we will self we will not know. Get many we will not know. So, Dion Osage, thank you very much. You be man will get clean heart. I know say you get your reservations as a human. Nobody is perfect. But I know how many. Yes, Dion Osage. That is how life is supposed to be. When you see say person self they go up, try push am, support am, make him grow. Because if you block waiting they come inside, let's say that the money they come inside now, I block them, you block them. They don't give you that money, you always spoil them. Leave her make I get my thing. Leave her make I get my thing. That is why the only reason why somebody like me see the grow small for life, see, I try as much as possible not to envy anybody. I have proper jealousy. When I know say you do something, you sabi do and the thing go away and I like them, I'll walk to you, say teach me. I don't tell you say, if that thing not good, if you see the one way one of my brother do, one of my friend, I may not get them. I know they do one. I will not criticize what I cannot. So if I'm happy with you, opportunity they come from me, that's sure. It's coming from me. Now today, do you know that this opportunity where they get to? I know they do this year of old work way back. It don't take. I never they get this kind of petrol where they get to. It doesn't not listen to people like the Stanley Oji, them Okumbo from Australia, Kingsley Mene from UK now, from Italy then. Come, they fight me, they not agree. Today, are they with me now? Am I not benefiting it now? Can I come out and say because I'm working now, I'll say I know the benefit? All this year for with the year, so even if it's not 5 naira they come, you know how much I get from inside. It was not 30 naira they come out for survey, you know it's in my own dear. So I pray to God every day. When one man called me this morning, one of my leader when I told, he said, "Oh, I like you, sir." One of the things is that immediately I said, "Sir, no, not tell me why you like me, sir. Lao wo, please. I don't want anything you enter this my head. I don't want to remain local. I just want to remain local. I know you don't want anybody you praise me at all. Only what I want now criticism. That criticism is so that I will feel learn from my mistake. No come tell me say you are trying. No come tell me say, oh comrade, because when they actually talk and say you are very eloquent, I say, sir, don't tell me, sir. Egui Baba, Not tell me. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear the good part of me. Tell me my wrong part. Let me continue to work towards it. In life, we grow on a daily basis. In life, we grow on a daily basis. Nobody is a monopoly of ideas. So do not tell me, oh, now so you correct. It is better for somebody to attend a funeral service than to attend wedding. Because when you go wedding, that's so enjoyment. You know say one day yourself will die. Because you're supposed to know, you know say one day yourself will die. And you know say you need to live your life in peace. And be peaceable with all men. In wedding, there's just, hey, you enjoy, you know they think. But when you do funeral, you say, God, now so life be. Take those space to them than to they enjoy, they do merriment. As I did so, I did pray to God. May God not give me any opportunity that will make me proud. I did pray to God. May God not give me any single opportunity, be it money or any kind of success will make me proud. May God deny from me in Jesus' name. I can't take calls now. You see this kind of call we call. If I cut out now, it will be like say I dey avoid calls. I dey pray to God. May God not give me any opportunity where go make me God say, I am. Sit where they eat meat, where they read the back. Now it's today. Not be social media boogaboo. When they say now we be this, I do not want. But on ground, ask those who know me. On ground, I'm not different. But for social media, as you see me say, and a singlet, I know the first say, man, go for arrange. Yeah, man, look well before I can do live video. Now sit home in after the door. I know say, go and get me powder. Go and get me. I need to go to Baby Salon. I need to do my shoe. I need to now lie you. I be me. I not get extra. I not get anything where I do add. What you know say you know if you talk come out for public, not tell me. Not tell. I not the agreement you discuss person matter with me. That is why I know they do saga. And I know they watch saga for social media. I know they watch. Say you call me now, say Stanley reply this reply that. I don't need them. I don't need them. I don't need them at all. If you talk anything about me, now you sabi. If not the one way you talk, I know say na truth. Even if say I not call you, I will quickly learn, make an amendment. Cause we be human being. Only person, Bible say never you lean on your own understanding. Who thinks saying know everything, know nothing. That is why students they know past teacher. Because teacher, now only in one teacher they come waiting they know, he go teach the student. Another teacher will come, he go teach that student. Another one will come. 10 teachers will teach only one student. He will get all knowledge. They compare to one teacher will get waiting their head. Or he said. So as far as I'm concerned, I not get problem with it. Now people, sorry, the network bad before. Man, tell you this simple truth. Since when this election finish, I stand with Governor Obaseki Gidigba. But when this election finish, now only once, I be twice. Now the office visit government house. Which time I want to go? I been at the time where we say I don't already collect money from somebody. What I go do you want not to go? We are waiting. We stand with the governor, but for now we see they do our own personal also. You know, guy go like us fish where we say go fit just give us waiting with the fair to satisfy us. No, so all man need to hustle. Election is over. Face your hustle. It will say that my hustle not need social media. You for not see my hustle for social media, but this also is purely social media hustle. We must do advert, and thank God today you guys are really responding. You are giving us your job. Thank you very much for your effort so far. Now, again, my number is 08079742172. 08079742172. That one I may stay my number. Then 07036109939. That one on my WhatsApp. I have my state on one simple truth. If you want buy land, before you buy land, try to know whether that land is government land. Because not be all land they give C of O. If land is government land, no way you can't get C of O. Except saying that category C and D, we still know how to tell the doing. But the power of God will give you a C of O. So category B, somebody get for category B, one praise builder. So we know how we fit to get them. But the truth be say, before you buy land, you need to commission experts. I tell somebody one day, I say I study land. Everything about land, you know. Now, if I deal with land, now my profession I already do. I went to school. I know if you can sample my result. I get first class for this profession. First class. And I was the school special ambassador to United Nations. Ask people me and they go to school. Ask my lecturer, I can give you their names. Go and confirm. You cannot tell me about land. I will feel know whether government land will not be government land. I can give you those investigations. Before you buy, you need to know first. Know whether government land, because community is ready to take money from you. Bring money, they will sell for you. If I don't sell another person for you, before you buy land, land are the most delicate thing. Many people not get job now. Land they put mad for inside communities. Then they sell land. Then they sell land. They go. They not send. Whether you buy government and you not buy government, you not send. They not send. So far say they make money. So you don't need. I make one video yesterday. Again where I go do survey. The man just watch my video. Just call me. Hello, comrade. I want to buy one land in Ogba area. That's okay. I want to confirm if it is. Now say this the charges to tell fee confirm. It's okay. Go ahead. I will just reach there. Now we take what we want to take for the place. We send and go. As we send and go, report come. They not let tell us in a government land. They tell us the category. They tell us the location. We not put location no. When we send and go, they tell us location. They tell us everything and the category we for. Now I call and say, my brother, no better land. And unfortunately, other people they build there. If government not come today, government must come someday. My number remains 070-3610-9939. I know sabi pin number for screen. I never sabi do one. Not laugh me. I know tell you say I sabi why I never ask me. So somebody be saying go teach me. I need to learn her. Then the next time when I want to do video, I just drop the number on top. So this one are many things. That one are one. Before you buy land, know whether the government land you buy. Then the second one, once you don't buy land, as you buy land, no say it never even dig foundation. Go to do C of O before you think of say you want fence. Because in communities, now let's take an example. This is an approval. For example, this approval will deal with you, so not deal with everybody. If they want sell and they'll say, apart from say I read land as a profession, I do vice chairman for community. So don't you want to tell me anything about land? Now, for example, say they say if they want to sell land with approval, they'll say Mr. Osahwenohwodi have in 1976 family land that was transferred to us. They'll say 5,000 or 500 by 500. Mr. Osahwenohwodi now wants to transfer land to Imotech or Morogbe Clement. Let's use Morogbe Clement. Osahwenohwodi want to sell land for Morogbe Clement. And if me want to sell now, Morogbe Clement wants to buy 100 by 100. Lawyer will say, from the 500 by 500 owned by Mr. Osahwenohwodi, He has agreed to transfer 100 by 100 to Mr. Omorogbe Clement. The question now is, when lawyer don't write free, they'll come photocopy that approval, give you. That approval will write 500 by 500. Please, I'm still on live. I can't take up. I can't take up, please. That approval write 500 by 500. And we don't give you 100 by 100. We'll come photocopy, give you. They'll come photocopy and give you, say, take. They'll say, carry that 500 by 500 document come out. And maybe the land where they sell for you, sell, not be their own. Not be their own. Now, as they say, where the whole 500 by 500 day, they know see them. But they use one paper, they sell, they go, they sell, they go, they sell, they go. One paper like this can sell your whole community land. One paper can sell the whole community. So when you buy land, the first thing is this. As you buy, maybe they buy today, a surveyor need to date. We need to commission us. And you buy, what the surveyor there. And the surveyor will give you your bacon number, your record for your agreement. If you check the approval, where they give you approval, they'll say bacon number, this. Let your bacon number reflect on your agreement. But people say, hey, money will take to survey, money will take to survey, not let us a CFO, you know, let us your build down. You go shock one after you don't build, don't they live for that kind of 15 years. Somebody go call, say that land, now you get up. Can't I stay even if I want to do 50 days? Give me a chance. I'll be busy now. Now, that's your agreement. Supposed to carry your bacon number. Now, you know, again, in communities, because we must protect Edo people and our clients. In communities, when you buy land 100 by 100, the transfer I give you, because many of this land are deed of transfer. Two types of buying 9 days. It's either you buy from the community. If you buy from community, they don't give you deed of transfer. They'll give you community approval direct. That's to say that the audio way, the enogi, nice set for you direct, and the elders, they'll give you only one paper. Don't they write lawyer approve for that one? The lawyer don't write any document for that one. That's what you buy from the community. That is community approval will be issued to you. It's the most legitimate document as far as communal land is concerned. Also, if they say you go that deed of transfer, they give you one document, you say you don't get land document, you don't get any document. Lawyer, do this one, you will not get any document. And now your bacon number not there. They will say you buy here. Let's say you buy this particular spot. They will go sell and they'll say, no, where they are set to a. They will carry you, go show you another one. Because there is no bacon number. If you cannot go call, they'll win you. They'll tell you, say, not be there, they show you, you don't know one. They will tell you, say, not be there, they show you, don't know. But when there is a bacon number and there is a chart there already, they carry you, say, you know, they come out. The guy, when you tell, they say, bacon number, so, and there is there that confirm. They take the chart and confirm. They don't get where they carry and go. So that one I see another thing. Then in case you get C of O, now who gets C of O? Now get land. C of O will distinguish you from every other property land or every other document we did there. So if you buy land, you carry one land document, they put green paper for the back. Give me a survey. They put green paper, blue this thing for the back. One layer on AC for you. Give me. Okay, this one. They use this kind of document. Cover, take cover run. This kind one. One lawyer honestly for you. They promise you, they tell you, say, don't worry, it's nothing. Not only you get that document. Not be only you get that document. When the person will sell for you and your lawyer bring it your document. Now so the person will sell your land and the lawyer said they bring the document. If we not meet. Now the question is, who gets C of O? The question is, who gets C of O between you now? I get that land. I buy land. I go there to one deed of transfer. You know whether the land where they sell for you now another person you know whether the land where they sell for you now another person you. My number is 070-3610-9939. 070-3610-9939. 080-7974-2172. You know whether the land where they sell for you now another person you mustn't be right at all time. You say because they sell for you, because you buy now your own. No. The thing is that they say if not the government will come stop all these nefarious activities. They sell one land for 6 people. So you will never do C of O. Don't be surprised that your land will not be 6 will get them. Even if you build that put your house on the go, the other one will never come and you don't know. Because they are supposed to you throw up, they don't buy, you leave the land. No. Now who gets C of O? Now get land. And they tell you the real challenges where they face land. Now. So people say, I need to your fair build fair. Money not day. See, the best thing you need to do when you get a property, first, carry out survey. Ensure say that survey and a survey with lodgement. When you ask people, they'll tell you, say, we are working with the government. Now, you know what with government not mean say you feel law survey. No, not be governor, the law survey. Not be president, the law survey. You can only pay some of that 2 places. You need to pay for recognition in GIS office. But the lodgement comes from Nigeria Institute of Surveyors. So people they come in, comrade, you know they sell land, some land there, you know they sell land. And they tell they say relax. If me see land, me no see. I don't want to spoil this my business. I don't want to, so I don't want to do anything. Where go be say we come go buy finish. Does that land where you help me buy, not go put foundation. What? So before me buy land for anybody or say on behalf of anybody, my investigation I must finish up. Because you cannot relocate my client. If my client buy here and I do, you don't tell me say one carry and go anywhere, I not go agree. I not go agree. Even if say my client agree, say okay, as it be like this now, more you live and more you agree. Me not go agree. I not agree. So before me follow person buy or say on behalf of the boat, the investigation must be thorough. Then make you see and say I never make any land advert for sale for my page. Cause somebody will follow me buy land. Tomorrow they can go put foundation. You say so I go to turn no go the land you follow me buy where you me buy. See. I no want that. I no want. At you see this man little reputation. When I just still get small so or the man say I'm not perfect. I don't want to use my house spoil them. If you want spoil on the own, make it spoil, but it not go spoil through Osakweno holding. It not go spoil through Osakweno holding. I know I put my hand for anything. When I know say if I start, I know if it complete on. That is that. So many things there. So once you buy land and you get land, go do CFO immediately. CFO before the day. But as of today, our logistics officer don't reach here now. If anywhere you day, we go deliver, I go give you.
One time, immediately.
We'll go drop out for you. You don't need to come up for your house. So, Mr. Barnabas, I can assure you, we are, in fact, now here I want this person now.
At your service.
Make go your house immediately, go get those documents.
At your service, sir.
So Naim, we don't want you. I don't want to spoil my hand. So now make you say it's hard for me to advertise land. Not be say I just see land and you don't know how land be. You just say there's a land for sale here. Buy very genuine. No, That land where you say genuine so. Some people they feel no 40 years they don't come out where their land they. You there your room they enjoy. They'll come knock this house where you dey so. Because there is a Latin terminology that states quick platetor solo seed. He who owns the land owns what is fixed and attached on the land. Quick platetor solo seed. Quick platetor solo seed. He who owns the land owns what is fixed and attached on the land. So anybody will get land. If you like you build anything put, now you get both the land and wait till you build. Now who get CFO, now you get land. And when we say land, in land profession, in environmental profession, there is nothing like building. It's either it's called an estate. When you say I build. A real estate. Your building where there is a land in itself. Because the land did not suspend, the building did not suspend its land. So both the building and the land is considered as a land. That is where the principle of quick platetor, solo seed comes into play. Now who get the land? Now you get what they build on top or they attach above it. Now only beyond some level, you cannot claim right. That is where the law of eminent domain come into play. That is the law that allows aeroplane to fly above your house. That is why if you defend land, they'll say anything beneath it, above it, to high heaven is land. But when you say to high heaven is land, what about if helicopter fly past your roof? Or aeroplane fly past your roof? You can just say, why did you fly above my roof? Because from here, from ground to heaven, if the definition of land is anything below it, beneath it, that is beneath it, above it to high heaven, is your land. Now, what about if aeroplane go fly for sky, and you from there trace them, it fly past your house, you can sue the aeroplane. So because of that, the law of eminent domain now gave the plane or any other people to use public airspace without you who owns a structure beneath it having the right to confront, nor to charge, nor to arrest, nor to drag to court for using above your structure as a means of transportation. A very good question. Kamakazi Iris Jolly. He said, how a bad person will get community approval still needs CFO. Community approval ends in the community. Why I say that one of the most legitimate documents be say, now the community sell out for you for Azagba. Azagba for being a well of the gutter. So nobody go say he don't know, say a nogi or the way or this one said this now. You know me say he get power. Outside that community, that paper don't go. But when you get CFO, governor of Edo State cannot take your land. If he wants to take that land, there must be adequate compensation. Will come out from your man. Then they call that compensation, but not selling. And it must be on the basis of an agreement between the seller and the buyer. But in the case where governor have the power to revoke your certificate of occupancy, that one that if government give you CFO for government land, and when they revoke, they will revoke them on the basis of say, maybe you go get that CFO because the governor and your friend then, and the new governor come and say, we cannot allocate this government land. But at times, you may be subject to compensation as well. So this is what you need to know about land and the statutory right of occupancy, what you call CFO. Patronize us, and then for those when they don't call me, I know him we call wa. You hear that language? I know him we call wa. No be say I know one we call. I dey like to carry call, but We feel your day say one swamp area they carry out survey. As we not see this one they come in now. As we carry out survey, you they call me. Me no want make the work when me they do for once spoil. Mostly when you don't reach the time to read. Take our reading. I must be there. So as at that time, maybe you go and not compete. And some people they complain say I know the returner. Now true to for that one, so I they fuck up well. So me no you get excuse for that one. I need to you apologize. Because that one a big fuck up on my part. But please, if you call me and know your pick, because many of you on a WhatsApp call, just send me audio message. They send me audio right in the night when I reach us. I dey open all my documents. I'll come to check the chat one after the other. I'll they respond. You know, say me myself only. We not the sleep well again, but you have to choose between sleeping for relaxation and poverty. So we choose say make we not the sleep, but we see the 6 months more money. Now we choose we prefer today. We know they sleep no wahala. So for me go low. Now me work they come. Now for C of O, get it clear. C of O application fee is 50,000. Task clearance is 100,000. Then after this, you get what they call assessment. Assessment fee. Like 100 by 100. I never see where they do past 33,000. So that if it be 25, so that if it be 20, so that if it be 27, so that if it be 21. That is that. 1 by 2, I never see where they do past 50,000. So that if it be 30,000, if it be 20. So you cannot predict. But the money you can predict is 50,000 for C of O, task clearance 100,000. And this same thing is based on the use to which such land is being put. That assessment. If now hotel you want to put that 40,000, I tell you 45,000 for 1 by 2. Remove that one can't be my salary if you pass like that because na commercial. But virtually all those women don't apply for now residential and agricultural uses. And C of O for residential lasts for 99 years. Agriculture is about 25 years. So in a different year. The question is how many people they reach 99 years? So your C of O is more or less like forever. Wow, talk me. My mind is sweet to see. If you dey side room, they sleep. Your mind, many things go enter. But when you dey bush, they engage. Even if say you dey feel a dick, you know send. Now your requirement, you need survey plan. So people they ask me how much for survey. Survey not get specific amount. It depends on the size of the land. You need your survey and the kind of survey where you want. It gets some people where they say, I beg do survey for me. I know I may be government survey. I beg. It gets some people say they can never do survey if not be government. Lodged with lodgement. Now you need survey plan. You need utility bill. Utility bill now like NEPA bill, DP with a throw dirty. It not me saying that the bill for that land for your anywhere you know say you will receive official correspondence. When I say correspondence, I mean letter, message, or anything. Address. You go there the utility bill. Then you need your passport photograph. Passport photograph. Then your data page, international passport. Any means of national identification. National ID card. Nigeria. Driver license. International passport. Voters card. Etc. National identification. Not go bring one ID card from Ekpe Mason store. Saying why is that do see they not go accept. Or you say Anambra store. They not go accept. All they need is means of national identification. Then, the paper of the land where you buy. Paper of the land. Then, we go send you authorization form where they give us for GIS. Send out to you. You send and fill and say, now you send Stanlosadi Enterprise to carry out your C of O. All these are the requirements. All these are the requirements. Now, when you do this one, you submit. Then there are processes and stages. When you submit, like many people will not do this, but we they do them. That tax clearance. We don't talk about the tax clearance just now. It's involved. The C of O application fee 50,000. Now that tax clearance, it lasts for 1 year. That tax clearance, now let's say you don't pay 100,000 tax and you get 10 land, and that tax you pay now, Mr. Comrade Osakwe-Nokwodin. And the number of land where Osakwe-Nokwodin get now 10 different land. One day Amagba, one day Igbomo, one day Azagba, one day Uhi, one day Umogunokwa, one day this day that is scattered. But all now, Comrade Stanley Osakwe-Nokwodin did the paper of the document. You don't need another tax to pay. That one tax clearance will cover all of them. Now, only when it can't go be your wife, that can say be Cynthia Osakwe-Nokwodin, for example. For example, your wife, you need another tax clearance because your wife no will cover your own, no will cover your own. Even your pikin no cover your own. You need a separate tax clearance. But say for your own and your name, if it's not 300,000, you don't need to pay it twice. Now, under our own, for purpose of transparency, and make you feel see the follow up, because it's not enough for us to come out for media and tell you say we don't do one. You get right to know. So we go collect your we get, after we don't submit, which is the second stage, they'll give us file number. We will keep your original file number and your documents. Tell them to make you file number, file number, 1 copy, or maybe you bring the food this thing, I show them. They'll give you file number. That file number, we will photocopy it and send you a photocopy, or we'll snap and send to you. Then you can take that your file number, give anybody, say go and confirm how far my C of O they go. Because when they tell me say they don't start them, me not the see them. Go and confirm. Now for the your lodger, it will give you details of what they happen about your C of O. So we'll give it to you. We'll hold the original. Once your C of O come out, your file number, your C of O, your original file number, we'll say take, and we still stand by our word. I say when you don't true, before you start, okay, Mr. Uyosa Agbonze say, what will happen if you don't renew after 1 year? If you don't renew after 1 year, maybe say you don't rest now. But if you want to C of O, another new C of O for maybe you come buy land the next year, you pay another tax. You will pay another tax. Because that one don't expire. So it is advisable that when you pay now, quickly do all your land. If you buy another one subsequently, you must pay tax because you cannot do C of O without tax clearance. Otherwise known as development. Now, this is a file number. This one are file numbers. It contains, you see them, not say the many. It contains both your receipt of payment and your file number in itself. See, with the staple I put, I'm not going to show you this one for the name. You see, this is the file number. I want to remove her. Make you not know the person because we promise to keep in confidence
our clients.
So, na confidential documents. I just want to use and show you highway. We have file and take it back to its position. So Naim. Now, for the purpose of CFO, they know they do renewal. So you reach there again, you go pay again for new file. For new task. 100,000 for another CFO after 1 year. So it's advisable that if you get like 250 million land, you don't pay that tax. Do all of them. Now this one I want to address. Somebody say, is your commission included in the 50K? No. I talk from the beginning and I stand by my word. I know they bill anybody for CFO money. If I do CFO for you, I'll tell you, say, pay, go and check. The only money I don't take for anybody hand, I'll say February 10,000 to me for running cost. When we don't through, I will hand over your CFO to you. You go use your mind. Give me what you want, give me. At times, there's people say, I know you'll get anything, now give me the CFO. I'll give you your thing, you carry go. Maybe the day we go sit down and say your mess with you. So, because you try for that thing you do for me, that give me your account, take. But why am I rendering this non-fee, non-charges activities is this? Let's be sincere to ourselves. I come out here publicly say, to announce, say, Edo people during the elections, within, before, and after. Sorry, within and after the election, the blessing was so enormous. So this is my time to give back. I'm not saying that after I don't do no give money, let them be your choice. Anything you give when I'm done with the job, I will accept it. I know with tight face put. No, MC Love, the naked wire. You are not paying every year. Let's say you buy land now, you don't pay on that time, you don't do your land. You not come buy land the next year. It's finished. But when you come buy land the next year, you want to do CFO, you must pay new tax. But if you don't want to pay, if you don't come buy land again, you don't rest. What do you want to pay tax? So that's the point. So for now, since morning, make a sick week to the look for a split place. Take cut a for truth this morning. You don't even this afternoon. We need a bell. Monogo for Puffy Swiss Grand. So please, for those who call me, know your verse. I beg. Know your verse. Not just verse. Okay. I want to give you one number now.
Okay, boss.
You are moving the person in Barnabas. Barnabas, I beg, call your person now. Okay. Because they want to call on Sue.
Okay, boss.
May they compile those documents. They are going there to collect it now. Not be okay, boss. Okay, boss. Which boss? Who be boss?
You be my Oga.
No. Leave the story for Oga for waiting. People now me Oga leave Oga. Oga not there anywhere. All of us now also we dey. No Oga here, bros.
I hear you, sir.
What did they worry you? So that is that. I think I've been able to come out with this thorough explanation. Let me now call it a day. If there is other things coming to my head that I need to bring out, I will, as a matter of urgency, come out again to discuss with us. Now, I want to please go Osakwenokwodi Media Group. It's a page. Go and like it. Best. He said, please pin your number, sir. My brother, I never sabi pin. I forgot to do one. Nobody for remind me. I never sabi pin. So I need someone to teach me how to pin. I mistakenly pin somebody number. Till today, I don't know as I take pin now. I know you know as I take pin now. Now mistake. So I still try and one learner. Only if I never see chance. Now only when I do live there and somebody comes to remind me, say, you know the pin your number. Because he give me, I never know how to pin. No. I never sabi pin. No. I know you deceive you. So that is that. Thank you very much for listening to me. I remember humble self. Your number right activist, Comrade Stanley Sazo Sakwenokwodi. My phone number still remains The world will say, "Look, King, I believe you." 07036109939. I repeat, 07036109939. 08079742172. 08079742172. Sir. Oh, somebody don't say they don't help me pin now. Where say? Where the pin? I saw star. Then where you can your camera where you can rotate. Another something will be like Z where they Z up. The normal friend. Then share. Then I saw message. Then finish. Where we say when you don't finish your video, you click on. So now that one mean no for now. So please, for those still calling me, I'm still on live. After this, I'm going to receive all this call. In fact, I'm going to call back. Cannot be every time until they apologize. Make I work towards the issue where people raise. So these are the things you need for CFO. Now who gets CFO? Nigeland, and anybody deceive you. Now who gets CFO? Nigeland. If you carry one paper document for lawyer and the worker, you not get any document. You not get any document. So thank you very much for listening to me, Osakwuno Hooding. My people go cut my chop. If I see anything when I need to relate, I will come back again to relate it with you, relate it with you guys. Thank you and bye for now.
Now we don't hear from Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwuno Hooding. I beg, before you go, make you help us share this video to friends and family. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for day current with all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you with this video now, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.